Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. Night mode here. Rafe West. I want to give you some coronavirus health tips. That's what I'm going to talk about now. All right, coronavirus health tips. And you know what? Let me tell you guys something. I've been a germaphobe before there was even corona. Why? Because I'm in NYC. And in NYC, if you've left NYC before, like I have, and you're not a local New Yorker who's never left the corner of Brooklyn, then you may just act like a regular New Yorker. Okay? Over here we have a lot of garbage, a lot of germs. I don't touch anything. Even if I were to go by a pole here, I'm not going to touch it with my hands. I'm going to touch it with my sleeve. When I go on the subway and all that, I don't use my hands for anything. Okay? The toilet bowl, you know how I flush that? The public ones? With my elbow. I flush it like that. I don't touch anything. And you know what this corona thing could do? This could be the death of the handshake. Because ain't no handshakes with me. It's the good old bump fist. Boom. Bump fist. A lot of people thought I was corny for doing bump fist all the time and not shaking hands. But let me tell you, they don't think I'm corny now, huh? So yeah, I mean, that's how you have to be out here. You know, you have to do shit like that. Okay? Because that's just how it is out here. Okay? So what other tips? And you know, a lot of it is common sense, but common sense is not common. You know, now I was on the train earlier and you don't hear anybody coughing or sneezing anymore. Why? Because they've been disinfected how it should be. Okay, but I know after this subsides, they're going to say they don't have the resources and it's just going to keep on, because that's what happens in the world, right? The world's kind of phony sometimes. That's what's going to happen. And they're going to go back to, you know, the vomit on the floor, garbage, coffee cups, straws, overflowing garbage bags, things like that, right? It's funny how the world works, right? Bunch of phonies. But that's how the world works, right? There has to be some guinea pigs in order for them to make changes, and then the changes are hardly lasting because usually resources or politics or some bullshit. So that's how it is with that. So yeah, man, coughing in your sleeve, that's common sense. But the death of the handshake, I mean, if you're meeting for business and all that, it's good etiquette to give that handshake. But then after that, you sanitize your hands. You know, when I'm eating in public, I don't grab the food with my hands. I put a napkin. Let me see if I have a napkin on me. I don't. Okay? But let's say this was a napkin. I put the food in the napkin and like that I eat it. I don't put my hands on it. Another thing is, you don't touch your face with your hands, especially around your eyes, you know, your mouth, but anywhere on your visage, you don't touch it with your bare hands. You use tissue, a napkin. That's what you do. You don't rub your eyes. If your eyes get itchy and watery, mine do often, tissue. Deal with the burn until I get some tissue, wet it, and then dab the eyes. Okay? So that's what I do. People that do other stuff, they're just not thinking. But now, with this corona, they're thinking, right? Personal space. That's another one. It's all about rubbing elbows. And when you're in major hubs, you rub elbows. Know where to sit. I'm going to take you guys on the train and show you where to sit. Do I have to do that? Do I have to make a video taking you on the trains and show you what seats to sit at? Common sense stuff. Okay. Also, supplement wise, you want to take, first of all, a good multivitamin. You want to take that. A good multivitamin. And for immune stuff, you could just take, you know, they have, what is it, those effervescent tablets. I forget the name of them, but you want to take that. You know, for your immune system, first of all, being in a major hub city, I think it builds up your immune system because you're around so much shit that it builds up your immune system. But, you know, exercise of some sort will build up your immune system. Common sense stuff, but common sense is not common anymore. So those are some of my coronavirus health tips. Kill the handshake. Go with the fist bump. If they don't like it, too bad. Unless it's like a business meeting, interview, things like that. Handshake and then immediately sanitize. Okay? Don't touch yourself with your hands, especially from the neck up. Don't do that. Okay? And you'll be fine. You know, you'll be fine with all that, okay? So this is Rafe West. If you like these coronavirus health tips, maybe I'll do some coronavirus finance tips. How you should be investing. What you should be doing with your money at this time. So let me know if you like this. Please subscribe. I hope these tips help you. If you want to know more, you can ask me down in the comments section. If I left anything out, maybe I'll pin it as a comment down below. All right. Give me a like. All right. This is Rafe West with coronavirus health tips. I hope I covered everything. But just being a germaphobe. That's basically what it comes down to, being a germaphobe. You don't even need the flu shot if you're of like mid-age and below. And that's it, guys. All right. And get some good sleep also. That's important. And if you want, I could do another video on that, because I've got that. I do pretty good in that department. All right. This is Rafe West, everybody, in the dark. Corona in the dark. I'm in Corona Central right now. So, okay. Be safe out there. I will try to do the same because I am in Corona Central. All right, guys. This is Rafe West. Peace.